It looks like 2019 is going to be the year of foldable smartphones, and we are giving you a preview of what to expect. No list will be complete without the mention of Samsung's foldable smartphone, which we've been hearing about for over a year now. But it looks like the wait is finally over, since Samsung is expected to launch the foldable smartphone alongside the Galaxy S10 at the Galaxy Unpacked event this year. The phone is rumored to be called the Galaxy Flex or the Galaxy F. It was reportedly showcased behind closed doors at this year's CES, and you can also see it briefly in this leaked teaser video that was briefly shared by Samsung Vietnam. As per a recent leak, Samsung's foldable smartphone might feature a 4.58-inch cover display, while the inner foldable panels diagonally will reportedly measure at 7.3 inches. Moreover, the upcoming foldable smartphone will reportedly come equipped with triple rear cameras that will include a super wide sensor. Samsung's foldable smartphone has reportedly received certification in China, carrying the model number SMF900, and might be priced around £2,000 when it is launched. You probably never heard of it, but the Royal FlexPi is the first commercially available foldable phone in the world. We got our hands on the developer unit at this year's CES, and the tech works as claimed, though it did have a number of bugs that needed ironing out. When it's unfolded, the Royal FlexPi acts as a 7.8-inch tablet. It uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC with 2 RAM and storage flavors, one with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and another with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The phone runs Android 9 Pie with the company's custom WaterOS skin. The 16MP and 24MP cameras both face forward. To take a selfie, the FlexPi needs to be in tablet mode, and if you want to take a regular photo, you need to fold it so the camera faces the back. The FlexPi should start shipping in countries other than China by end of March or early April. It will get an expected starting price of roughly $1,600. A Royal representative told Gadgets 360 that the company is trying to figure out distribution partners in India, so you might see the phone in Indian store shelves this year itself. Xiaomi has long been rumored to work on a foldable smartphone, which is set to arrive later this year. Xiaomi's president Lin Bin now confirmed that the company is indeed working on a double folding smartphone. It has shared a video which shows a prototype of Xiaomi's upcoming smartphone in action. As you can see, the video shows a device with very thin bezels whose chassis can be folded from the left and right edges to switch from tablet mode to smartphone mode. This smartphone will reportedly run an optimized version of MIUI to seamlessly scale the screen content between two usage scenarios. If this comes to fruition, then this will be the world's first double-folded smartphone when it launches this year. It seems that Motorola is planning on resurrecting the Moto Razer brand with the launch of a foldable smartphone. A design registration recently emerged in the World Intellectual Property Organization showing a foldable smartphone designed by Motorola Mobility. It clearly shows a smartphone with the iconic Moto Razer hinge as well as the iconic chin. It appears as the phone will boast two displays, one large on the inside of the clamshell form factor and another on the outside on the top half. The secondary display is probably to show some basic information to users without having them to unfold the smartphone. There is also a notch on the first display containing the earpiece, while the back panels feature two circular shapes on both the top and bottom, thought to be the front camera and the rear camera respectively. It seems that Samsung has not one, but two foldable smartphones in the works. A new leak suggests that the Korean company is working on a second foldable phone as well. The surprising thing is, it's a gaming phone. This new phone is set to sport physical controller buttons for realistic gaming controls, which would separate it from the other gaming phones that are currently in the market today. Of course, this would be a completely different model from the foldable phone we spoke about earlier. Huawei has shared an invite for an MWC launch of its brand new 5G smartphone. As you can tell by the design of the invite, this would be the foldable 5G smartphone that the company had confirmed earlier. The phone itself is expected to come equipped with the in-house high silicon Kirin 980 SoC and the Balong 5000 modem, and a 7.2-inch display when open. For more, we may just have to wait for the official unveiling at MWC on Feb 24th. Besides these, LG is also expected to showcase its new foldable smartphone at MWC, and there's also a patent from Intel for a foldable device that can be a smartphone. So are you excited to see any of these foldable smartphones launching in 2019? In fact, tell us in the comments which has been your favorite smartphone design so far. Clamshell, candy bar, the notch even. Let us know. If you want more videos like this, go ahead and smash the like button. Also check out these two great videos that we have lined up for you. And for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com. Thanks for watching.